London is getting a new bridge that will double as a beautiful outdoor space, much like New York's High Line. Designs for the landscape structure have been in the works for months, but have now been unveiled for the world to see. They depict an idyllic space hovering above the Thames, which will offer visitors glimpses of London landmarks such as St Paul's Cathedral through blossoming trees. Around 2,500 square metres of the 6,000 square metre space will be planted with greenery, including 270 trees, 2,000 shrubs and 64,000 bulbs, all purposefully chosen to represent the capital's horticultural history. Construction of the bridge will begin early 2016, with the opening date currently slated for 2018.